What's up guys, my name's Rishabh and you're watching the Cube Wealth Show. Today we are going to talk about how you can become your family's chief financial officer and how you can invest for everyone in the entire family all by yourself. But before we do that, I have to ask you to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon so you keep getting great content from Cube around how to build your wealth. So now let's talk about the problem. So usually every family has that one person who handles all the finances, from planning the investment strategy to speaking to people who can help ensure regular investments are happening and getting tracked. While this is absolutely needed in each family and is a noble task, the one person who does all this has to go through a lot of trouble. At Cube, we like to call this person the Family CFO. And the main problems the CFO faces is that he or she has to, number one, plan an individual portfolio based on each family member's need. Number two, remember too many account logins for different family members. Number three, absorb information that is segregated across multiple accounts. And number four, repeat the same actions for each account again and again and again. So if you're the family CFO in your family, I'll tell you how the Cube Wealth app can simplify your life. And if you're not, go tell your father, mother, brother, sister, whoever handles your investments that the Cube Wealth app has found a solution to their problem. Now, the good thing is Cube has found a way to manage all these problems in 4 simple ways. Number one, you can easily manage all family and personal company accounts together. You have one simple login which is the same as your personal account. Number two, you can implement different investment strategies based on what stage each family member is in. For example, your parents need a retirement monthly income strategy. You and your wife or your spouse may split your strategy where one does short-term investment expenses and the other invests for the longer term, like goals like retirement or your kids' college. Number three, you can easily view each member's portfolio with quick view changes. You no longer have to open multiple tabs, go through long logins and multiple steps. Just open the Cube app and switch to the account you want to see. Number four, you get one dedicated wealth coach from Cube for your entire family. Now that really makes sense and sorts your life out because you get to use every person's account to achieve specific goals, but everything is under your control as one family.
In the words of the Godfather, never go against the family.
Okay, so that's it for today's video guys. If you don't have the Cube Wealth app, download it using the link in the description. And if you already have the Cube Wealth app, start by adding a new account. There's a link to add an account in the description. And if that's not enough, you could call your wealth coach to ask further questions.
Let me quickly show you 3 important screenshots for this from the app. The first screen is where you can add a family account. The second screen shows you a broad portfolio view of your family members. Right now you're looking at an account which shows someone's mom's portfolio. You can have one for your brother, your father, your sister, whoever else you're managing the investments for. And then this third screen is the referral screen, which shows you your referral tree. So obviously you can invite people, and the more people you invite, the more rewards you earn.
If you like this video, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment, share this with your friends, and don't forget to hit subscribe.